So here is another question on 5 variable Boolean function. So here is the Boolean function which is given in terms of the minterm values f, a, b, c, d, e, and the minterm values are 0, 1, 5, 6, 9, 13, 14, 17, 21, 22, 25 and 29. So here if you see from this Boolean function, we will split it into two parts. First, the minterm values which are lying in the range of 0 to 15, that is from here to here, okay, in this range, and then which lie in the range of 16 to 31. Okay, so here we'll be using two separate K-maps. This will be the first K-map where we'll be taking a bar common, that is a equals to 0. This will be done using a second K-map, 4 variable K-map, okay, where a will be taken as common, a equals to 1, logic 1. Okay, so now let us draw the two separate K-maps. Okay, both will be of functions b, c, d. The 4 variable functions will be b, c and d. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This will be b bar, c bar. This will be b bar c, this will be b c, this will be b c bar. Okay, same here, d bar, e bar, d bar, e, d e, d e bar. Okay, so two K maps will be there, so let us copy it. This will be the second K map. Okay, and the minterm values will be different for each. Here it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This will be from 0 to 15. Okay, 0 to 15 with a bar, a equals to 0, the first K map. And here it will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Again I remind you, always be careful at this position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here at the bottom it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like that, because here it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Same 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, same case here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Then here at the bottom 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28, 29, 30, 31. So if you write it serial, it is not in serial way. It is not 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, So this is for 16 to 31 with A equals to 1. This is the second K map. So now we have to map the values 0, 1, 5, 6, 9, 13, 14. 0, 1, 5, 6, 9, 13, 14. Then remaining 17, 21, 22, 25, 29. 17, 21, 22, then 25 and 29. Okay, so now let us focus on the first K map. So here if you focus on cells 1, 5, 13 and 9, here we can form a quad. Okay, then focus on cells 6 and 14, here we can form a pair. And then focus on cells 0 and 1, we can form another pair. And now here, for the second K map, focus on cells 17, 21, 29, 25. We can form a quad here, 4-member quad. Then if you see, focus on cell 22, it has no adjacent occupied cell, marked cell. So it will be a lone member, a single member group. Now we have to identify the common set of variables for each group. For this quad here, there is nothing common on the horizontal side. On the vertical side, there is D bar E common. So here it is D bar E common for this quad. For this pair 6, 14, there is C common on the horizontal side and D E bar common on the vertical side. So here it is C, D, E bar. For this pair, cell 0 and 1, there is B bar, C bar common on the horizontal side and D bar common on the vertical side. So here it is B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay, this. Then for this second K map, for this quad here involving cells 17, 21, 25, 29, here there is nothing common on the horizontal side, only D bar E common on the vertical side. And here there is nothing common. Here it will be B bar C from the horizontal side and D E bar from the vertical side. So the first Boolean function, it is the first set of Boolean function. Here it will be B bar C bar D bar, B bar C bar D bar, or C D E bar, or D bar E. And the first minimized Boolean function for the first K map, it will be, we will AND it with A bar because A bar is there common. So it will be A bar with B bar, C bar, D bar, or C, D, E bar, or D bar E. Okay, and here the second Boolean function with the common set of variables, it will be D bar E or B bar C, D, E bar. And the second minimized Boolean function from the second K map, it will be ANDing it with A because A is common from 16 to 31. So here it will be D bar E or B bar C, D, E bar. So the final minimized Boolean function, it is minimized Boolean function 1 or minimized Boolean function 2, which is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, or A bar, C, D, E bar, or A bar, D bar, E. Then this is first OR with this A D bar E or A B bar C D E bar. So now if you focus on these two cells, okay, A bar D bar E and A D bar E. Here it is A, here it is A bar. So if we OR them together, A bar D bar E or A D bar E, it will be A bar or A D bar E. So it will be D bar E because this is equal to 1. So here both of them when OR together it will give us D bar E. So the final minimized Boolean expression will be D bar, okay, final minimized Boolean expression will be D bar E or A bar B bar C bar D bar or A bar C D E bar or A B bar C D E bar. Okay, this. So this is the final minimized Boolean expression. Okay, this is the final minimized Boolean function. This. So similar procedure. First we split the minterm values into two parts. First part falling in the range of 0 to 15. Second part falling in the range of 16 to 31. We created two separate K-maps with minterm values from 0 to 15 in the first, 16 to 31 in the second. We mapped the values given in the Boolean function. We formed the groups. Then we extracted the common set of variables from each group, OR them together in SOP form. Then we ANDed the common variable which is A bar in the first K-map, A in the second K-map. We got the two minimized Boolean functions for each K-map, okay, this, and then the final minimized Boolean expression is this, the sum of two minimized Boolean functions from each K-map, and we got this result, okay, this.